Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion, we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, today I want to share to you about Russian economies. There is some news. Russia want to back to CBDC at 2024. By the time the central bank expect to calculate real money customer to customer transaction trial as well as the testing of customer to business and business to customer sentiments. In 2023, the banks of Russia also intend to conduct beta testing of a digital ruble based smart contract for trade by a limited circle of participants. The bank pointed out that it's expected to product with CBDC rollout in gradual manner, unlocking new different trials and future year by year. As soon as the Federal Treasury is ready, the digital ruble will also feature customer to government, business to government, government to customer, and government to business payments. The Bank of Russia said like that. The central bank also expected to introduce the offline mode for the digital ruble by 2025 alongside introduction of non-bank financial intermediaries, financial platform and exchange infrastructure. The first process of introducing and the digital ruble will provide market participants with the opportunity to adapt to new conditions. The Bank of Russia note the Bank of Russia will also cooperate with other central banks developing their own digital currency to carry out cross-border and foreign exchange operations with digital currency. The authority added. Relate token will defeat cryptocurrency. Russia debates Palladium Black coin. A previously report by Cointelegraph Russia debuted its first digital ruble trials in February 2022, following its official CBDC roadmap released last year. The Bank of Russia previously formed a group of 12 banks to test the digital ruble, including major banking giants like Sber and VTB and Tinkoff Bank and other, while keeping up the CBDC. Well, maybe just this. What I can share with you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch all video of this channel. Cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency, and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Subscribe is free. You can subscribe more than before. Okay. Thank you very much. See you.